in this hour of grief, the nation, the entire nation of Pakistan are standing by our Turkish brothers and sisters, and whatever we can do at this moment, we are there, and all our assets, our resources are at your disposal. This is what I conveyed to him, and this is what I'd like to reiterate today. And during these days, we have managed to send aircrafts with relief goods. Our rescue team, our medical team, and other items are being collected for further shipments through trucks, through aircrafts, and of course through sea. We are clear that any amount of effort won't be enough